Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Glad that you've joined us today. We are going to be making some delicious blueberry muffins today, and we know that it's berry season, so we want to use things that are seasonal and that are delicious, and this is a fantastic recipe to use with the children. The ingredients we need today are melted coconut oil, water, sugar, blueberries, bananas and self-raising flour. First we're going to mash our bananas so that they become into a liquid, and we need to make sure that they are mashed thoroughly. It's important to sprinkle your blueberries with a little bit of flour so that they don't all sink to the bottom when you put them in your cake mixture. Next we're going to add the sugar into the bananas and mix that thoroughly. We're going to add in the coconut oil and stir that in really well, and once that's stirred in as best as possible, we're going to sieve the self-raising flour and put that into the mixture, and then we're going to stir everything really well. It'll be quite a thick batter, and then we're going to add the water so that the batter becomes like that of a cake consistency. So we stir that in really well to make sure everything is mixed together perfectly well until it becomes like that lovely cake batter that we know and love, just like that. Finally, we're going to add our blueberries into the cake mixture and just make sure that we mix those in really well. Then we're going to place our mini muffin cases into our cake tray and start to spoon just a teaspoon of mixture into each cupcake case. As well as the small muffins, we can do large muffins, medium-sized muffins, according to your preference. I'm going to place these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at gas mark 4 or 180 degrees centigrade until a skewer comes out nice and clean. These muffins are absolutely delicious, light and fluffy, juicy from the blueberries. And if you're interested, Forever Vegan Inspo does virtual cooking classes with children. All you need to do is email me or on my Instagram page, let me know, and we can arrange something. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, if you use any of the recipes, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Look forward to hearing from you.